Good morning, y'all. So today is what today is, y'all? Today is 4/20, and what am I doing today? Okay, I have to go to class, of course, because it's a Friday, and my friend, she's having her pool party today, so that's why I'm going later. And I think I'm going to go to either the car wash and the nail shop, or just go to the nail shop. I don't know. But y'all, my birthday is in a week. My birthday is in a week. Hey, my birthday is in a week. Hey, my birthday is in a week. But y'all, my birthday is in a week. Your girl about to be legal. Your girl about to be 21. 2 plus 1, 21. 2 plus 1, 21. Yeah. I don't know why I'm lit. Cause I ain't gonna be doing nothing. Well, I'm supposed to be doing something, but I don't really know, cause I don't really do stuff. I'm excited, but I'm not excited because I'm not really, turning up like people usually do on their 21st birthday. But whatever. Let me go to class. So I gotta go to the library first, and my class starts at 10, and it's currently like 9:24. Nah, I'm lying. It's like 9:40 something, and I gotta go to the library, print out my extra credit for my second class. So let me get to going, and I'ma just holler at y'all later. You feel me? But my birthday in a week. I just want y'all to know that. My birthday is next Friday. You feel me? Your girl about to be legal. And I got on another pair of my shades. You feel me? Woo, woo. I rarely wear these, but whatever. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Your girl about to be 21. 2 plus 1, 21. 2 plus 1, 21. Yeah, I'm really joking, but I'm really about to go for real. All jokes. Wow. What's your poppin', y'all? Y'all see I changed my hair. Had to take the wig off because
had to go natural, sis.
Had to go natural.
A little bit of nut.
Ooh, we out here, okay?
We outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you say?
We outside.
Kyla. We just getting started, you feel me? We got the one too. We got Morgan out here getting prepared, you feel me? Yes, okay, we got him on the grill, okay? Yeah, he got that iron look. That I would have burnt it. Hey Kyla, how's it going?
Like a J, that's what the juicy, spread it out like a flower when the sun hit, yeah, you like a star, bro, it's so cute,
Hey,
my shit, I throw a little money to make me come through.
Whoa. I'm gonna let you just work. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk.
Make that big booty. Shake that booty.
Good morning, you guys. What's up? So today is Sunday, and I have a community event for the organization Comp that I'm a part of, and it's basically we're bridging the gap between the people who serve and protect our community and the community itself. It's called Unity in the Community, so we're gonna go do that, and it starts at 2:30 I think, but we have to be there earlier, so I'm on my way there now. Well, I just want to come on here and say what's up to you guys. But my birthday is in 5 days. 5 days. My birthday's in 5 days. I'll be 21 in 5 days. But y'all, I'm about to go. Got my hair blockers. You feel me? I might have to clean them a little bit, but. Cause last time I vlogged, I looked at these glasses and they was crooked, and nobody told me they was crooked. But I don't think they're crooked now. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get there. You feel me? But y'all like my nails? I got my nails done yesterday. Yo, I cracked this nail and oh my god, it like cracked like right here, and I was I couldn't do it. But you guys go get our nails done because I can't be walking around with my nails looking any kind of way for my birthday. You feel me? But yeah, I'm about to go. I'm gonna let y'all in a few weeks.
Miss Instagram. I mean, Miss YouTube.
Hey. So y'all, we about to start.
A negative light in the media, you know, with police brutality and so forth, and not every police officer participates in those type of activities. So since we are the next generation to say that we are the woke generation, so basically college students just like yourselves are trying to come together to have a positive impact along in collaboration with our first responders, which are your community police officers, your firefighters and whatnot, to show that, to bring the sense of community back, to build the sense of trust back, because as soon as someone gets broke into your house, who do you call first? 911. And so therefore we want to be able to bring that type of collaboration back, so therefore we can show the community and unify everybody that we're all here for the same purpose, the same one accord. Thank you.
Dang, y'all. Can he speak up?
Good morning, Richard LeBlanc.
It's out.
Driver.
Good morning, David.
Alright. So community, it's important. You guys all got to work together. We've been in houses from, I guess, the most, from highest socioeconomic to the lowest socioeconomic, everything underneath the sun. And
Hi.
Semaj and Layy Police Department have been in law enforcement for 14 years. Brief history about what we do and how we bridge with the community. I've been in law enforcement, like I said, 14 years. I'm on the SWAT team. I dealt with juveniles. I've been in just about every department for 14 years. The community with the police department, I like to talk about the norms, the myths, the media, and today the youth, and the negative of certain police officers that we don't tolerate. First, let's get to it and talk about the negatives of certain police officers that we don't deal with, that you see on TV every day. In departments across the land, of course, a police department is just like a regular job. And within that job, you have a bad apple everywhere you go. You have one bad apple. Okay. The day in life of a police officer, when we put the uniform on, we don't put the uniform on and say, okay, who can we arrest today? Or who can we write a ticket to or whatever. We put the uniform on, so hopefully we don't have to arrest nobody. Hopefully we don't have to deal with any negativity, and we can just be in the public as a servant, as an officer. Today, of course, on the media, you see officers doing illegal things such as shootings, latest Alton Sterling and Baton Rouge. From some officers, and a lot of departments I know across the United States, they do not tolerate that. The bad thing is being a police officer today is whenever you put on the uniform, you're automatically judged. You're judged as soon as you step out that vehicle, or as soon as they see you in that vehicle. They all think that you're a bad guy, or look, some bad guy did this on TV, a bad police officer did this on TV, so you're like the rest of them. I'm gonna tell you, it's not like that. We're not like that. A lot of us, we like the community. That's why we chose the job. We like to talk to the people. We like to be, police officers. They're not like the normal police officers that were yesterday. Now we're counselors, fathers, dads, teachers, leaders. We're everything. We have to answer so many different type of calls now. It's not like back in the day when you go to a call that was all about a crime. Now it's about, I need you to talk to my son, I need you to talk to my wife, or talk to my husband. And now you're doing a bunch of different things. And and you're doing a bunch of different things within the community that people do not see, such as this. Okay, police officers do a lot in the community, a lot, just as well as the fire department. I mean, you do a lot.
When you can walk out your front door and see all your friends playing football, kickball, and the only thing you had to worry about was nightfall, and the voice of your mama screaming at you from down the street saying, "Come inside." I said, do you remember a time when even the lady that lived 7 houses down from you felt like your second mom? A community shouldn't be filled with strangers, because strangers could possibly help you in many ways, because those strangers could possibly help you in ways you couldn't even imagine. Now, I want to touch back on what the officer just came up here with. I've had so many officers help me in so many ways. So, I have no negative views, my officer and anything. But it takes a village to raise a child. So if the village around you is having a bad mindset towards things, especially towards cops, that child eventually is going to grow up hating cops. The one person they actually really need in life. No one person can be an army. And I know a lot of you remember, especially just Sunday evening. We literally just walked around outside, and it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Sunday evening. And nobody was outside. We had no kids playing, no kids running around, nothing. And I feel like that's really a shame, especially coming where I come from. I'm from New Orleans, and every time I would walk outside, everybody playing football, basketball, racing down the street, stuff like that. So it's I just feel that we really and truly need to unite, and we really and truly need to come together as one. Because, just like you said, it takes a village to raise a child. And no one person can raise a child. So, yeah, that's all I had to say.
The food that he's cooked, and thank everybody.
One last thing. This is our second annual event. Although it is small now, this event is going to grow every year. We're going to throw this event every year, and hopefully we will all be around, stick around to see the greatness that this event will hold in the future. Thank y'all so much.